Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Vienna's pet treater bag for toys only. Do you want to know what toy she's going to be playing on this month? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so Vienna's December pet treater bag just arrived, and I know last month I opened hers a little bit after the holiday and there was a really cute holiday item in there for her, so I thought this time she looks so impressed. She looks so thrilled. So I thought this time I needed to make sure I opened it before Christmas, because if there is something in there for Christmas, like the little bandana, then she can actually wear it on Christmas Day this time. Ma'am, is your life that hard? Really? You sleep all day. You sleep all day. You want to see your toys? Is that going to perk you up? Oh, excuse me. You got to go take a nap? You want to go take a nap and not open your box? We could do that too. You want to do this later? She's like, nope, you better give me my box. Huh. So you better give me my box, huh? Okay, so here's the bag. Let's try to get just a little. I'm trying to have you like see her more until I can afford that table that I want. But let's see. You see? Okay, here, sit right here. Sit on your butt. That one looks big, Mama. Is it it's like a big old glove. It's super cute because it's definitely festive, but this one's a big one. I'm thinking she probably is going to tear this one up, but that's totally fine. She can play with it until she does, but she's already trying to nibble on the corner. Ma'am. You already trying to eat the corner? Okay. It says 4 dogs. All right. Chew resistant. Hey, that's the tag. It says chew resistant, squeak me. Oh, okay. Now she's more excited. She's like, there's something in there. I gotta kill it. I gotta kill it, huh? But that is super cute. That it's definitely okay, fine. For the festive season. How freaking cute is that? It's a dog scarf. So it's not a bandana this time. It's a little scarf. And it has a little thing here to like hold the thing in. So it's kind of like, you know, adjustable to whatever size. How cute. We're going to see what this is. Yeah, no, you're not going to like it because it's going to go on you, but you're not going to have a choice in the matter. She's like, oh, man. You don't want to move now? You don't want to move now? You got your scarf on. You don't like your scarf on? Oh, well, it's on you now. Now you're not going to move much. Good. All right. So now she might sit tight. Oh, there is still a bandana, though. How cute. And there's little gingerbread men and candy canes on it. So you can use either one. You can do the scarf or you can do this. And if you have 2 pets at home, then you have 1 for each. That's really cool. I think that is super, super cute. The little gingerbread men. I'll put that on you, too. You want this one on, too? You're like, no. So I already have 1 on. She's layered. She's layering her clothing. Okay, so let's see. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of toys in here. How cute. So this looks like a little festive cupcake with the little rope. She doesn't do good with these ropes. She normally tears them apart, but we'll see how she does with it. But you see that? Ooh, she's like, just give me the top part. I'm actually, oh wait, and then here's another one. And then it says plush dog toys, endless fun. And then here's even another one. So there's 3 different ones that are all like the same. So there's a glove, there's the stocking, and then the little like candy thing. So there's all 3 of these. Okay, there you go. Holy moly. There's a whole lot of stuff in here. And then there's even this one. Oh, these are like thicker, like, oh, hey, you're dropping things on the floor, ma'am. This one is, it's a rope, but they're like, it's like different material. It's not like these where you see all the different strands. This is like one thing. So this one might actually be a lot better. And then there's this and has little nubbies, so that's good for them to like chew like on their teeth and gnaw on that. So there's this one. I don't know why you have so many toys this month. Like, holy moly. And then this month we are going to say congratulations to, is it Ada? How cute. Every month, if you do take a photo of your dog, you can send it to them and then they have a chance to be featured on one of their cards. But I believe if you do send it in, they do send you like a free item in your next box, even if they don't pick you. So maybe that's why she has one too many toys this month, because I did send in a photo. Because you guys told me to, so I did. But that is everything in this month's toy only box, you guys. So there is the bandana, and then the cute little scarf that's adjustable. There's this big old Christmas type glove, and then there's this 3-piece like set where they all match. And then there's this guy right here too. That is everything. So if you guys want to see her playing with her toys, see which one she chooses to play with, then here you go. Okay, you guys, so this time she has a lot of them to choose from. So let's see. Come here, hold on. How do you really feel? How do you really feel? That thing's big. Oh, but look. She literally just started playing with this and it all just ripped apart. You can't play with this one anymore, baby. You're gonna get that stuffing everywhere. Crap. Here, I'll let you play with it one more time. Oh yeah, there goes some. Can I see it? Can I see it? Come here. Okay. Oh, no. Because you're not going to eat that. Hold on. You got it out? Okay. All right. That one's done. Sorry, kid. Get another toy. All right, you guys. So if you want a little bit more information about this particular box, I will let you know right about now. This one, they do have a dog only, and then they have a cat only box, which is super, super convenient for anybody who has both or one or the other. So the dog pack is $15 a month, and that one is filled with 3 to 4 hand-selected items featuring a variety of super fun toys, mostly USA and Canadian-made treats, never China, and some extra goodies. That one again is $15. Or there's the deluxe dog pack. So if you want them to have more, or if you might have multiple dogs, you can go to that one, which is $25 a month. That one has 5 to 8 hand selected items. Same thing with the treats and everything. Or you can do a treat only. So if you just want treats only, no toys, that one is $18 a month. You'll get 3 to 4 treats, USA and Canada made, never China. Or you can do the toy only box like she gets. The toy only box is only $18 a month, and you'll get 3 to 4 hand selected really fun toys. So all toys only. And there's free shipping on all of these as well. Then the cat pack, there's only 2 options for that one. So the cat pack, the smaller one, is $15. You'll get 3 to 4 hand selected items featuring a variety of super fun toys and treats with extra goodies. Or there's the multi-cat pack. So if you have multiple cats or you just want a bigger pack for your cats, that one is $25 a month, and you'll get 5 to 8 items. So again, it's really, really neat that they offer both. The only thing which would make it even better is if they had one other option that was like a dog and a cat mixed, you know, like for like a bigger pack. So if you have dogs and cats at home, then you can get that one for both. That's the only little tiny little suggestion. But other than that, I love the fact that you can do either one, cat or dog. And there's different levels if you want the small pack, the large pack, treats only, the toys only, and I absolutely love that. So Vienna's absolutely loving her pet treater. Huh, you love your pet treater? It is super, super affordable. Free shipping, $18. Holy moly. And her so happy with new toys. It's just all worth it for me no matter what. So there's that. So you guys comment down below. Let us know what you thought about what she received this month. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it, as we greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Crafty crew, out. Say bye with your little hand. Say bye.